Bitcoin halving. Windfall for investors with one click to make money. Hey guys, Andrew here from BitSpools, and before we talk about the upcoming Bitcoin halving, let's not forget about our partner, Bybit. Bybit has a copy trading platform where you can copy the trades of successful traders. That's 32 plus million successful transactions, 75% winning rate, and it all comes with a user-friendly interface. So if you're looking to make the most of your crypto trading, be sure to check out Bybit. You can find the link in the description of this video. Now, let's talk about the upcoming Bitcoin halving in 2024. As you know, the Bitcoin halving is an event that occurs every 4 years, where the number of Bitcoins rewarded to miners is reduced by half. This is done to control the supply of Bitcoin and keep its value stable. Now, in the past, the Bitcoin halving has led to a surge in the price of Bitcoin. But will the same thing happen in 2024? Well, it's a bit complicated this time around. On the one hand, before the halving, ETFs were approved in the United States and Hong Kong, making Bitcoin retail investment possible. This gave Bitcoin a significant boost in terms of investor confidence and investment value. But on the other hand, this halving coincides with the Federal Reserve raising interest rates. And higher interest rates have led to greater interest in things like U.S. Treasury bonds and other interest-paying assets and investments. This in turn has led to people abandoning riskier assets such as Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So, based on these two reasons, the Bitcoin price didn't rise but fell after the halving. Now, does this mean that you should give up on Bitcoin? Of course not! While Bitcoin is currently in a period of downward volatility, this round of interest rate hikes by the Federal Reserve is about to end. When the Federal Reserve ends raising interest rates and begins to cut interest rates, dollars will once again flow to the world to find new investment targets. By then, cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin that have been approved by regulatory authorities will once again become the main battlefield for capital to pursue profits. And the scarcity of Bitcoin supply in the next few months is already foreseeable. Accordingly, another surge in Bitcoin prices is already foreseeable. Now, while Bitcoin is by far the most recognized cryptocurrency due to its growing popularity, it has also become one of the most expensive to invest in. This can be an obstacle for new investors to get a piece of the pie. But there is a solution. Simpleminers offers a viable solution for new investors to make money from the Bitcoin world. After this round of halving, it has become more difficult for miners to obtain rewards. This will inevitably lead to miners with lagging computing power quitting the ranks of Bitcoin miners because they cannot get rewards. Computing power will be forced to become more centralized, so in order to gain a computing power advantage, mergers and acquisitions among mining pools will inevitably occur. Simpleminers is already the world's largest Bitcoin mining pool, contributing about 3.5% of the world's hash rate. But this round of halving has also put Simpleminers under pressure. In order to ensure that it remains the world's largest mining pool after adjustments for mergers and acquisitions between mining pools, Simpleminers decided to sacrifice 1 year's profits in exchange for an absolute advantage in computing power in the next 4 years. This means that Simpleminers will use investors' funds to expand computing power deployment at the expense of 1 year's profit. The Bitcoin world generates a new block approximately every 10 minutes. And the miner reward for each block after the halving is 3.125 BTC. Therefore, based on the current hash rate occupied by Simpleminers, the number of BTC that Simpleminers can obtain every year is 5,748.75, or roughly $344,925,000 at a price of $60,000 per coin. In other words, in order to realize this plan, Simpleminers will release at least $345 million. Which will be shared among all investors participating in the plan. Now, how does Simpleminers plan to free up $345 million for new Bitcoin investors to participate? Simpleminers has created an investment project for investors to participate in Bitcoin mining by purchasing computing power contracts. To make it easy for investors, Simpleminers has added a one-click purchase function to the computing power contract, making the operation extremely simple and convenient. When the contract purchase is successful, investors only need to wait for the contract to expire and then get back their principal and income. It's that simple. Here's an example. With an investment amount of $10,000, you can purchase a contract worth $10,000 with a 200th cycle of 50 days. The daily interest rate for this contract is 1.65%. After purchasing, the investment profit you can earn every day is $165. After 50 days, your principal and income will be $18,250. Simpleminers also has many other money-making plans to choose from, and you can start your one-click money-making journey with just $100. With your participation, the hash rate occupied by Simpleminers will be increased, which means that Simpleminers will receive more reward opportunities. Therefore, in order to better leverage the power of investors, we can make money faster together. In addition to releasing one-year income, Simpleminers also offers the following incentives to participants. A free registration bonus of $10. Recharge cash rewards. Recharge $3,000 and get $30 cash back. Top up $10,000 and get $200 cash back. The more you recharge, the more cash you'll get. Invitation rewards. Invite friends to come to Simpleminers to make money, and you can get a cash reward of 3% of their investment if your friends invite friends to invest. You can also get a cash reward of 1% of their investment. If you want to participate in the One Click to Make Money program, please operate through the official website simpleminers.com or download the mobile app. Please note that this is a paid release. The statements, views, and opinions expressed in this column are solely those of the content provider and do not necessarily represent those of News BTC. News BTC does not guarantee the accuracy or timeliness of information available in such content. Do your research and invest at your own risk. That's all for today, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And remember, the future of finance is decentralized.